It is a crisp 25-degree morning out here in the hills of Nevada, but today I have something a little special I just couldn't wait to try. I got this old H&R Top Break 38 Smith & Wesson revolver from an estate sale auction this weekend. I got it for pretty cheap, so I'm taking a risk here. They told me they did not know the last time it had been fired, but probably quite a while ago. They dubbed it a 1910, so that's why I originally posted my first video stating it was a 1910. However, through much research of my own and some of my friends, just last night we came to the conclusion that it was actually manufactured sometime between 1913 and 1915, so going forward I will be calling it a 1914 revolver. Why not? Best I got. Well, here goes nothing. Even better news, I forgot a table, so we'll be setting this up on a rock. What could go wrong? We'll be starting out with only one round, just so that I can inspect it afterwards and make sure everything went how we wanted it to. Well, that went better than I expected, so let's take it out of the grip and try it in my hand. No cracks. Everything looks to be in order. Well, the auto eject did not take it out. So here we got 2 rounds loaded this time. Gonna go for it with my hand. Alright, well that's pretty fun. Probably need gravity on your side to work the auto ejector there. Let's just run 2 more for all of our enjoyment, right? Well, it's still 25 degrees out here in the Nevada hills, and it's cold, but that was a lot of fun. So thank you for tuning in and watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel, Gunners for Funners. Have a good day.